What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Cat's Coils. So in today's video, I'm going to be changing it up a little bit. So within the last 6 or so months, I've been posting videos exclusively about my locks journey. I wanted to make sure that I spent a lot of time documenting the first 6 months of my locks journey. So today I kind of want to change it up, and I want to share another aspect of me that I love, and that is the love of cooking. I love to cook delicious, healthy meals. So today's menu item is going to be plank salmon, and I'm going to be adding potatoes, I'm going to be adding lemon, carrots, onion, quinoa, and a lot of different seasonings and things like that to create a delicious, healthy meal. So if you would like to see me cook my plank salmon, keep watching. So I've already cut up my salmon and laid out my vegetables, and I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning my salmon with a seafood blend of spices. And I'll put all of the ingredients in each seasoning in the description below. Next, I season with garlic powder, and then this is a delicious seasoning, a Red Lobster seasoning. Then I flip all of the pieces of salmon over and season each piece. Then I go ahead and poke each piece of salmon, just so that when I put the juices, like the lemon juice, onto the salmon, the juices seep inside the salmon. Next, I season it with cayenne pepper. And then I cut up a few pieces of lemon and put them inside of the pan. Then I cut a slice of onion, and I cut that slice into 4, just so that I can have chunks of onion once they cook. And then I go ahead and cut up some green pepper. And I'm so upset because after this little clip, my phone dies. And then I'll just show you what everything else looks like once I add in the rest of the ingredients. So here you can see I've added carrots, potatoes, mushroom, and zucchini. And then I also added the same seasonings from before on top of the vegetables. Then I'm going to go ahead and set the temperature to 400. And while that's heating up, I'm going to go ahead and cook some quinoa. And in the amount of time that it takes to cook the salmon, you should already have the quinoa cooked by then. So yep, popping it in the oven for about 30 minutes or so, and then it looks like this when it's finished. If you can see, it's created its own juices, and that's what we're gonna put on the quinoa, on top of the quinoa. But yeah, there are the juices. Oh my gosh. The juices are just so flavorful. All right, and for the salmon, can y'all see the salmon is just like falling apart? It's so tender and flavorful that it almost just fell apart on the spatula. But there you have it, my plank salmon dish.
Yeah, this food is so good. So it's bursting with flavor. The zucchini is really nice and tender. And then the salmon, it's just falling apart. Like, it literally is falling apart. It's so good. This is like the healthy version of a seafood boil. If you guys try this recipe, let me know. But this is so bomb. So bomb.
All right, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye-bye.